1997 four-wheel drive, 6.5 diesel, 1-ton dump truck. $143,000 miles. I'm gonna start it for you. It's been started this morning. I was plowing with it. Tires, all about the same. That's an extra fuel tank. Battery, snow plow, new turbo, new injection pump system. Got the snow plow. Try to make the snow plow work. Snow plow system. Dump bed is electric over hydraulic. Everything runs, operates, inspected. Call me 717-688-1331 if you want to see more. Thank you.